Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Verizon SIM card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step one is insert the SIM card. So power off your phone before inserting the SIM card. If it's a physical SIM, insert it into the SIM tray. It could be either on the side of the phone or the bottom of the phone with the gold contacts facing down. If it's an eSIM, skip this step and proceed with the activation steps. Then from here, turn the phone back on. Alright, so there's a few different ways how to choose an activation method. So the first way is to activate online using My Verizon. So go to the Verizon website or open the My Verizon app. Then log into your account, navigate to devices, activate or switch device. Select the device or line you want to use, then enter your device's IMEI, MEID and SIM card number. If prompted, follow the prompts to complete activation. Option B is activate via the phone. So call Verizon's activation number, which is here. Follow the voice prompts. You may be asked to provide your IMEI number and SIM card number. Wait for confirmation. Activation is usually done within a few minutes. Option C is to activate in a Verizon store. So visit a Verizon retail store, bring your phone and the SIM card. A representative can activate the SIM for you and help with setup. And the last option is automatic activation during setup. So if you're setting up a new phone, insert the SIM or connect to Wi-Fi for eSIM. Follow the on-screen setup steps. Your phone may activate automatically if the SIM is recognized. Step number three, verify activation. So after completion of the activation, you should see signal bars and the Verizon network name on your phone. As you can see in this image here, it's got Verizon and some signal bars. Try making a call, sending a text and using mobile data. Restart your phone if it's not working right away.